Hi students, I am Mari Krishnan from Bharathansa Metric High Secondary School, Arakonam. Our previous session we discussed about divisibility test. So divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5 and divisible by 6 and divisible by 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So first one divisible by 2. So divisible by 2 condition what? The unit digit is 0 or even number. If the unit digit is 0 or even number means then the number is exactly divisible by 2 table. Next divisible by 3 condition. So divisible by 3 condition, sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is also divisible by 3. So next divisible by 4. So divisible by 4 condition, last 2 digit. So last 2 digit means ones place and tens place. Ones place and tens place. So last 2 digit is divisible by 4 means then the whole number is exactly divisible by 4 table. Next one divisible by 5. So divisible by 5 means if the unit digit is 0 or 5. 0 or 5 means then the number is exactly divisible by 5 table. Next one divisible by 6. Divisible by 6, a number which is divisible by 6 if it is satisfied by divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 condition. Both condition divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So if the 2 condition is satisfied means then the number is exactly divisible by 6 table. Next one divisible by 8. So divisible by 8, last 3 digit means ones place and tens place and next then 100 place. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. The 3 digit is divisible by 3 means if the 3 digit is divisible by 8 means then the whole number is exactly divisible by 8 table. So next one divisible by 9. Divisible by 3 and divisible by 9 same condition. Divisible by 3, sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Divisible by 9 condition, sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means then the whole number is exactly divisible by 9 table. Next one divisible by 10. So divisible by 10, unit place is 0 means then the number is exactly divisible by 10 table. Next one divisible by 11. The difference between sum of odd places and even places. Difference between sum of odd places and sum of even places 0 or multiple of 11. Multiples of 11 means 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77. These are multiples of 11. So if the difference is 0 or 11, multiples of 11 means then the number is exactly divisible by 11 table. Next one divisible by 12. Divisible by 12, 2 condition. Divisible by 6, 2 condition. Divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. In the same way, divisible by 12 condition, divisible by 3 and divisible by 4. The 2 condition is satisfied means then the number is exactly divisible by 12 table. So let us see one activity. Listen. So first one, divisibility rules or test. Number by 2, divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, divisible by 5, divisible by 6 and divisible by 7, divisible by 8 and divisible by 9. Listen first one. 28. So 28 divisible by 2 condition. Unit place is even place. Okay. Here unit place is 8. So 8 is even number. 8 is even number. So this number is exactly divisible by 8 table. So yes. Yes means put tick. Next divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 we get 10. So 10 is not divisible by 3 table. So 28 is not divisible by 3. So dash. Next 5 table. Divisible by 5 condition if the unit place is 0 or 5. But here the unit place is 8. So it is not divisible by 5 table. Next one divisible by 6. So divisible by 6 condition 2 and 3. The 2 condition is satisfied means then the number is exactly divisible by 6 table. So by divisible by 2 satisfied but divisible by 3 is not satisfied. So this number is not divisible by 6 table. Next divisible by 7. 7 4s are 28. So this is divisible. 8 table. 8 table, sum of the last 3 digit but here having only 2 digit. So 8 1s are 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32 but here having 28. So it is not divisible by 8 table. Next divisible by 9. 9 table, sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 equal to 10. So 10 is not divisible by 9 table. So this is not divisible. Next one 36. 36 divisible by 2. So even number. 6 is even number. So it is divisible by 2 table. Next one divisible by 3. Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3 table. How many times? Very good. 3 times. 3 3s are 9. So 9 is divisible by 3 table. Then also 36 is divisible by 3 table. So divisible. Next one, divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 last 2 number. But here having only 2 numbers, 36. 4 9s are 36. So it is divisible. 5 table. The unit place is 0 or 5, but the unit place is 6. So it is not divisible. Next is 6 table. 6 table, both 2 divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So 2 conditions satisfied. So this number is exactly divisible by 6 table. Next divisible by 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, but here having 36. So it is not divisible. Next one, divisible by 8. Divisible by 8, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. So here having 36. So it is not divisible by 8 table. Divisible by 9. Sum of the digit is divisible by 9. So sum of the digit means 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9 table. 9 ones are 9. So it is divisible. So remaining all you have to practice. Okay, 56, 144, 303, 756, 1000 and 8000, 1455. The same way, divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 5 and divisible by 6, divisible by 7, divisible by 8 and divisible by 9 conditions. So next one, test the divisibility of the following numbers by 9. 9th Roman, exercise 3.3. So divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 condition what? Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is divisible by 9 means then the whole number is exactly divisible by 9 table. So sum of the digit. Sum of the digit equal to 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 divided by sum of the digit divided by 9. This is equal to divided by 9. So sum of the digit 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 4 24, 24 plus 1 25, 25 plus 2 27. So 27 and 9 table. How many times will go? Very good. 3 times. Right. 9 ones are 9 3s are. So this is equal to 3. So 27 is divisible by 9 table. So the given number is divisible by 9 table. Right. The same way. Next one, test the divisibility of the following numbers by 10. By 10. Divisible by 10. 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, 90 lakhs, 83,625. So divisible by 10 condition. Divisible by 10 condition what? If the unit place is 0. The unit place is 0 means then the number is exactly divisible by 10 table. But here the unit place is 5. So it is not divisible by 10 table. The unit place is 5. So this is not divisible by 10 table. But it is divisible by 5 table because if the unit place is 5. Okay, next one. It is not divisible. It is not divisible. In each of the following numbers, replace star by the smallest number to make it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. So divisible by 3 condition what? Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3 means then the whole number is exactly divisible by 3 table. So sum of the digit. So sum of the digit means 6. So star place is x. Let star place be x. Star place be x. So 6 plus 5 plus x plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 divided by 3. Divided by 3. So next one, 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 16 plus 0, 16 only. So 16 plus x. So here next one, if x equal to 1, if x equal to 1 means 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 we get 17. So 17 is not divisible by 3 table. So next number, 1 after next number 2. So substitute here x equal to 2. 16 plus 2 we get 18. So 18 divided by 3. So 18 is divisible by 3 table. How many times? 6 times. So 6 3s are 18. So here the x equal to value 2. Minimum value 2. Put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. So 16 plus x divided by 3. This is equal to 16 plus x equal to value 2. 16 plus 2 divided by 3. So 16 plus 2 we get 18. So 18 divided by 3. How many times in 3 table 18? Very good, 6 times. 3 ones are 3 6. So 3 6 are 18. So here the smallest number is 2. Smallest number is 2. Smallest number is 2. That's all. So in this session we discussed about divisible by 2, divisible by 3 and divisible by 5, all the conditions. The next one exercise sums 9, 10, 11. So in 9th sum divisible by 9. Next one 10th one divisible by 10, 11th one divisible by 3 condition. Okay. So in the below description we have attached study material, question bank and self assessment. Kindly go through, study well. Thank you.